So I got my Mackie for about 5.5 months now. I was driving in all kinds of weathers and now it's pretty smoky and bad air quality and spring is over. So I was thinking why I'm not changing the cabin air filter. Of course I follow the operator manual as you see here. I got the original cabin air filter from Ford. So what you gotta do is you open the glove compartment, you just open it right here. Then you see two latches, one is here, one is right here. You press it inside, you see like that. On the other side the same thing, you press it in here and the glove compartment comes down. So once you unhook those latches, you gotta make sure you disconnect this one here like in the manual. I use a plier to get it loose. I don't know if you're strong enough to squeeze that together. So I squeeze this together. Then I push this out. Once it's coming out, I can let it go all the way down. So once you have the glove compartment open, you see here the compartment for the cabin air filter. When I opened it the first time, I saw this harness, the cable here, electrical cable, hanging out all the way down here. So I pushed it up more. Now this cabin air filter lid has two clips, one here, one here. You just have to push them out and pull a bit on the lid. Also here, push it out, then you can pull the lid down. And now already cabin air filter compartment is open. Then I can pull that out. You see here it says airflow. Airflow is this direction. You have to remember that for the new filter. Once you get it out, here's a dirty filter. Now you see here the comparison between the new one and the old one. So now I take the new one, take it out of the box. Again, airflow towards down, here's that little arrow. I slide it in here. I close it. Make sure the harness is up. Make sure it locks in here. Make sure it locks in on the other side. So both sides are locked in, left and right. Now I can close the glove compartment. Again, I gotta pull out here the spring. Now before you put the glove compartment back in, make sure you put this again back to here. So all you do, you lift it up. Just push it straight in. That's it. Push the glove compartment up. It locks itself. Cabin air filter is changed.
Hey, you're still here? So why not hit the like button and subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it. Thank you.